started the camera?
Yeah, it started.
Oh, I'm a Mario, and I'm about to face my worst enemy in Beyblading. Yoshi.
Yeah. Gonna lose, Mario.
No, you're not, you stupid green dinosaur.
You're an idiot.
Oh, I hate you because you're green.
Oh yeah. Beep. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let him rip. Ow, you hurt me, man. Redo match. Redo match.
Aww.
The rules are, if you don't even touch the stadium and you go in one of the pockets, you automatically have to restart the match, or I will hypnotize you.
Aww. Well, let's say some more insults.
Okay, just go, start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Yoshi, you're gonna lose so bad.
No, I am not.
Is that how you feel, Loshi? Loshi.
I feel nervous.
Yeah,
High
show
five.
the Beyblades, man.
Yeah.
Haha, you suck, Yoshi.